Hi everybody, I'm Rick Pulaski. I'll be teaching again in ABF. Last week we reviewed Chapter 7 in Rebecca Pippert's book, Stay Salt. We talked about the fall and what was wrong with this world. And remember, we talked about a two-word answer, and that is that I am, and that we all are, and that we've all sinned and fallen short of the glory of God, and how that sin nature can become a common ground where we can witness and spread the gospel. Because the difference between a sinner and myself is I'm a sinner saved by grace. And we need to know the bad news in order for the good news to be so good. So this week we're going to talk about Chapter 8, which is entitled The Cross, God's Remedy. You remember we talked about how it's great to know, have our symptoms diagnosed, but it's even better when we find out what the remedy is. So we're going to be looking at the cross. How does the world view the cross? Forgiveness. Do I need forgiveness? And how do we make the connection with an unbeliever relative to his separation from God and what the cross means for that separation? You remember the graphic that we showed where we had mankind on one side and death, and on the other side we had God and life. And the connection between the two was the cross. So join me this Sunday for Chapter 8, The Cross, God's Remedy. I look forward to seeing you on Sunday.